How can we stop a backbiter from backbiting? Put him in his place. Many people, when someone starts to backbite, they become very shy. But I'm going to tell you an amazing story. One of our brothers, may Allah bless him, he put a backbiter in his place. He was walking to the Salatul Jum'ah. A brother came up to him, they started to talk, and then he's like, yeah, this group, this nationality, these people. He said, brother, have you advised them? He's talking about some of the negative things they do, and maybe he's right, but that is backbiting. And ذِكْرُكَ أَخَاكَ بِمَا يَكْرَهُ, as the Prophet ﷺ said, to mention something negative about your brother he dislikes. So they have this negative characteristic, but you mentioning this characteristic, this is what backbiting is. The brother, amazing what he did. Allahumma barik. Jazakallah khair. He said to him, have you advised them? And this is the thing all the time, ask anybody who backbites, have you advised the people who you're backbiting against? And you'll find almost all of the time the answer is no. They just talk, but they don't advise. He said, if you haven't advised them, then don't talk to me. Go and talk to them. But he was like, akhi, so it's like shaitan is there now, He just wants to speak and people want to talk about others. He said, if you haven't advised them, don't talk to me. Don't say anything to me. Go to them first. He kept trying to talk. The brother, what did he do? He went to the other side of the street and he said, stay there. He said, I'm not going to listen to you until you go and advise them. Don't talk behind your brother's back. Like this, inshallah ta'ala, if all of us take stances like this and we put the backbiter in his place, have you advised? Don't talk about your brother behind his back. I'm not going to listen. Cover your ears. Go another place. The people are going to learn to respect their brothers and to not backbite their brothers and realize it's a major sin. أَيُحِبُّ أَحَدُكُمْ أَن يَأْكُلَ لَحْمَ أَخِيهِ مَيْتًا. Allah said in the Qur'an, would one of you like to eat the flesh of his dead brother?